Hold this moment and breathe into the grounding energy of Smoky Quartz. This extraordinary Vogel wand, carved with precision to the sacred 5260 geometry, carries the deep, earthy frequencies of protection, balance, and stability. Its rich, smoky color, its exceptional clarity, and the faint phantom hidden within its inner landscape all speak to its ancient journey through the earth. As you hold it, feel the root and sacral chakras settle, align, and strengthen. Feel the negative energy dissolve, and your field come back into harmony. Whether you're working with clients, meditating, or deepening your own healing practice, this Smoky Quartz Vogel wand is a rare companion, one that anchors you, protects you, and invites you back into your center with every breath.